The meeting that was called had its roots in one analysis that we made. We analyzed the situation and came to the conclusion that everybody else is talking about the Congo except the Congolese. You go to Nairobi, everyone is talking about the Congo. You come to South Africa, where I can see the interest. Everyone wants to know what's happening in the Congo. But the Congolese themselves seem to be ignored. So the objective was, let's get together, civil society, opposition, and anybody else who's interested in our country, church leaders also, so that we can iron out and especially try to analyze the situation. What is the role of each and every player in what's going on in the Congo? What's the role of the government and civil society and, of course, the opposition? Well, the second question, meaning, am I ready? No, listen. We are ready to work, honestly work for peace, actively work for peace, and that was our attitude 22 years ago when we came to Sun City and signed the agreement. Our attitude today, being much more informed, is definitely to stand up again and be on the move, work for peace in any capacity that we can.